Leonardo Ai. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Artists YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make a new folder on your Leonardo Ai account. But before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now let's begin the tutorial. The very first thing that you need to do is log in to your Leonardo Ai account and then go to the generation. As you can see here, I am on my generation personal feed, as you can see. So now here you have an option here, select option, as you can see here. So you have a select option here, just click on the select, and then from here you need to select the images that you want to shift on the folder, that you want to move to the folder. Okay, so what you can do is simply select any of them, like whatever the images that you want to move to the folder. Suppose I want to move this 4 picture, I want to keep this 4 picture in one of the folder, then you can simply select it, and then from here click on the organize, and from here you have the new folder option, as you can see here. Click here and then you can just type the folder name, images of Jesus. So here what you need to do is you just need to click on the enter button. So right after entering the enter button, click on the move. So I have clicked on the move. Now let's go. Click on the move, and then as you can see here, now all my images are in this folder. Okay, so whenever you need to find these images, you can just go to folder. Okay, just go to the folder, and then from there you can easily check it.